Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and I want to show you how I made this amazing mackerel baked in the oven with sweet potato mash, and I serve it with beetroot pickled. So simple, tasty and healthy. I don't show you what I'm doing. Sorry. I haven't shown you what I'm doing here. I was in chat. So small cuts in the fish here. You can put here lime slices, lime or lemon slices. So some lemon juice. You don't know if you ever had, it's a very fatty fish. Of course we need some garlic, some salt. I don't like to follow recipes on this one. Some chili flakes. Pepper here. Lots of garlic. It's small, it's a small garlic, it's not a big one. So 3-4 cloves is going to be okay. What kind of fish is this? Mackerel is the name? Mackerel. Stay here. We need some olive oil here. We need a spoon or something. We need a spoon to mix in these. And I will take the fish, place it in this tin here, like so. And put this over and give it a massage. It's rich in omega-3, so it's really good. And the meaty fish, I like this part of it. Perfect. I'm doing good, thank you so much. Cooking here, baking this fish. So now this in the oven looks nice. I need a bit more chili flakes here. Like so. And oven, this one, oven like this. Okay, I need this one, a pot. So I will peel them here if I can do this. Okay, we need to put some salt over them. Good and nutritional, yeah. And a drizzle of olive oil, just like this. And on the stove to boil them. The fish is looking yum, but I will add some of these cherries in the tray. Ooh. Some salt over them and some olive oil over the tomatoes. Oops, and on table as well. And let's take the fish from the oven and put these as well. Ooh. So let's put tomatoes around here. They're kind of big. Kind of big tomatoes. You might have some, make some, yes, you can double the recipe. And I have here some lemon pepper. Culpable sent me this, so I'll add it over mackerel here, over the mackerel. It's so out of my hand to say mackerel. You have no idea, because we're calling this mackerel. With gloves, I am picking up the pot in which I have sweet potatoes and drain these in the sink here. Try not to drop potatoes in the sink. Trying. And oops, succeeding. I need some butter. I have it here. Ooh. Like a knob of butter, not too much. We need salt. We need some pepper. Where is it? Salt here. A bit of milk. So for tomorrow for the bread, I have something prepared. I have something in my mind, I mean. Because, oh, my bracelet is dying. I didn't charge it in so long. You put butter and very little brown sugar on yours. In the sweet potato, I don't want to add sugar because they're already sweet. Where's that thing for making mash here? So I have butter here, but I don't want to add sugar. They are overly sweet already. And they are so fluffy. Oh my God, they are so sweet. Sugar, you put sugar in everything. Welcome back, Reed. Will your pumpkin pie ever arrive? Learning towards now. John, don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. A bit of milk. I will add some of these herbs. Brown sugar, very common around there. Some of these herbs. Have no faith? Come on, come on. And in here I have oregano, basil, thyme, parsley, and marjoram. Some pepper as well. And this is it. Ooh, look here. Thank you. Okay, I have to fold the bread. Let's pour some of these juices over fish. So crazy. What is crazy? Lots of colors here. So this is the plate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to prepare this and share pictures with me on Discord. And I will see you next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye.